Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're back with another video.
Yep, we're back from Colombia.
And getting ready for another trip.
Yep, so now we have to start packing. And, well, we're pretty happy because we've received a nice package from EITOPIA. They sent us this duffel bag, and we were really hoping that we'd get it in time. We've been in contact with them for like the past like 2-3 weeks while we were in Colombia, and we were hoping that we'd get this bag right in time for Vermont.
And we got it yesterday.
And it arrived yesterday, and we leave in a couple of days. So we are happy. Thank you. We're gonna be using this for the Vermont trip. Because if you know us, you know we like to travel
very lightweight, yeah.
We don't like carrying suitcases. We don't like that hassle. We'd rather have like a gym bag or a backpack.
Bag, you know, it's so much easier.
Yeah, so like for Washington, we came with a book bag. For Philly, same thing, book bag.
Halloween.
So it's all just either book bags or duffel bags. We are not fans of suitcases, especially if we're traveling train or bus.
Yep.
Because it's just you gotta check it in and you gotta put it under the bus. So it's like, why all that when you can just carry your book bag and you can keep it with you.
Yep.
You can carry your duffel bag, you can keep it with you. So that's what we're gonna be doing with this one.
We're so excited.
So she's gonna do the honors.
So it like comes here.
Yeah.
So it's pretty big.
This bag isn't just a gym bag. I did see people using this primarily as a gym bag. However, we tend to use gym bags for traveling. Duffel bags in general we use for traveling.
Feels nice.
I haven't touched it yet. Oh, it's actually nice.
Yeah.
Feels nice. This is actually feels nice.
Good quality.
It looks nice too. It's actually pretty.
I really like the
pretty
color.
nice. The coloring.
Yeah.
The colorway of it, pretty nice. So let me just get a nice view of the brand here. It's right there. It's a stylish bag, I can tell you that. It's a stylish bag. We went ahead and just unpacked everything, and we opened everything, and yeah, we just took a massive look at it. So we inspected it, and it has 11 like bags in total. Holes, compartments, bags.
There's a lot of storage, a lot.
Yeah, and it's mixed between dry compartments and wet compartments.
So like let's say you went swimming and you brought your clothes, you don't want to put your wet clothes inside, you'll have a separate storage area for it.
So that's what I'm excited for. It also has a shoe compartment, but we're gonna take a closer look. They also gave us these things. It was inside of the bag, and it's included a drawstring bag and
3 of these transparent bags.
Transparent bags of different sizes.
Which
Big
these are
one.
awesome because you can pack your clothes in there and it makes it flat.
Medium one and small one.
Yeah.
Small one. And this is a travel YouTube, so in cases like these types of bags are very useful because you put your clothes in these. You put your clothes, your shirts, your pants, whatever. You take the air out and you just start rolling.
Yeah, and it fits perfect and you have so much space.
Because that's what we ended up doing for Colombia to like maximize our storage in the suitcases. We would put these in bags and we'd roll them up. So you could use them for this. They have holes in them.
Oh, a hole.
Yeah. They have a hole in them to take out the air. But yeah, these bags are very useful. Not to mention that they are waterproof.
Yep.
So guys, if you can feel this bag, it feels nice.
It's good.
It feels very nice.
And the
In
zippers.
terms of the zippers, they are stainless steel, chrome plated. The nice thing about all of this, like the zippers, the hooks, it's rust proof. It's not gonna rust.
And it's perfect. Like if it gets wet.
Now, I'm not gonna go out right now. It's pouring, but I'm not gonna go out right now and test how like waterproof it is.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna test it out in Vermont.
Yeah, but this thing looks waterproof. Not to mention
like
the bags that are included, the waterproof ones, they look high quality. So let's
show you guys
begin.
Every single
Pocket
storage
compartment
thing this in the bag.
So let's begin with the side ones. So you have this one right here.
You see that it
which is
round? This is so cool.
The
shoe
compartment.
So you can put your shoes, your sandals, everything.
Then on this side, we have
this thingy and another
zipper for a nice little compartment here.
That you could put like your wallet, your phone. It's on the outside.
And a handle.
It has a little one here. This one is open, so I wouldn't recommend putting like your phone in that one.
Yeah, so this one does not have a zipper or anything of the like.
It's like
this
for easy access type of thing.
Easy access
your
compartment.
Your chips and food.
Yeah, this is like easy compartment stuff. I wouldn't put any valuables in it.
Yeah.
But yeah, the other side of the bag has this. It's I guess you can say it's like a slip type of thing. It's not a pocket, it just slips through, and what you could use this for is easily hanging your hoodie.
Oh yeah.
You could hang your hoodie through this. Put your hoodie through this and just leave it in there. And you also have this pocket. A nice little pocket, just like the one on the side that we just showed you. Same size a bit. It's a small one. You can keep some quick stuff there, like anything you need to take in and out, like passports, ID, tickets, put them in there. Alright.
So in terms of the little pockets on the outside, that's all of them. Now there's two big ones.
Yeah.
There's the main one.
There's the main one.
And the one for the wet clothes.
Yeah. So the wet clothes one can be found like on this side, right? It's hidden. Like you have to look for it. We couldn't find it. We were like, it's on the inside, but where is it? It's hidden. So you open it through the outside, and it's right here.
Trying to take it out. You see, it's that type of material, so like nothing is leaking through there.
This feels like high quality material. Like this is not leaking through. This is great. This is great for things that could get wet or could spill. Your shampoos, your soaps, your conditioners, your toothpastes, your mouthwashes, etc. Perfect. And it's huge. It's actually huge.
Very spacious. Okay, now inside of the bag, super spacious. Like, it's huge. Inside of it has one zipper right here, and that's basically it. But this is so nice.
Overall,
this bag is gonna be of great use to us.
Yeah, because after coming back from Colombia, I'm not a fan of air travel, alright? It's pretty hectic. It's not so fun. I'm kind of looking forward to like local travel, like out of state stuff, bus, train, you know? And that's where these types of bags are put to use.
I mean, also you could use this as your personal bag.
Oh yeah.
On the plane, so.
Yeah, you could use this as your personal bag, or if you're a gym type of person, use that.
For dance, swimming, anything.
Anything really. But we're gonna be using this one for traveling.
Yeah.
Thanks to EITOPIA for the bag.
A huge thank you.
Yeah, because this is gonna be put to use starting Tuesday.
Yep.
We're gonna be taking this up to Vermont, so
yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.